Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your science class today. In our last class, we have discussed about reflex action. Now, today, we will discuss about the working procedure of our sense organs. Do you know how many sense organs do we have? Yes, 5. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Sense organs gather information from the surroundings and send it to the brain. Now, first comes eyes. We all see with our eyes. Each eye has a lens. Actually, our eyes is like camera. When we look at an object, the light passes through the lens and forms an image inside the eyes. This image is converted into a message or impulse. This message is carried to the brain by the nerves. The brain processes the information and helps us recognize it. This is how we see things. Now, ears. We hear with our ears. Inside the ear there is eardrum. The eardrum is a thin membrane. A sound enters the ear and vibrates the eardrum. The nerves present in the ear sense these vibrations and carry the impulse or message to the brain. The brain processes the impulse and helps us to recognize the sound. Now, nose. We smell with our nose. The nerves inside the nose pick up the smell, convert it into a message or impulse and carry it to the brain. The brain recognizes the message and helps us know the smell. Now, tongue. The tongue has many taste buds which sense different tastes. The taste buds are connected to nerves. When we place food in mouth, the taste buds sense the taste. The nerves carry it as a message or impulse to the brain. The brain recognizes the message and helps us to know the taste of the food. Next comes skin. We often feel things with the tip of our fingers. The skin is richly supplied with nerves. That means there are many nerves connected with our skin. It helps us to sense pain, temperature, that means hot or cold, and feel things, either it is soft or hard or many feelings. So, in this way, our sense organs work. Do you know the skin is the largest external organ of the human body? It is a sense organ. It acts as a waterproof covering, guards the body against extremes of temperature, harsh sunlight, harmful chemicals and germs.